What if your child could graduate from a real Chinese high school and achieve Chinese HSK 5 fluency and unlock guaranteed university scholarships, all for $3,000 to $10,000 a year, including guardianship? Welcome to CNC, the Chinese National Curriculum.
China's public and private schools are now welcoming international students into the CNC Track.
This isn't an international school bubble. This is full immersion learning alongside Chinese students, following the same rigorous academic system that produces world-leading STEM graduates. The difference? Foreign students don't take the Gaokao. Many schools also exempt the APT, the Academic Proficiency Test. Same diploma, same education, without the extreme exam pressure Chinese families face. Students start in foundation classes focused entirely on Chinese language, speaking, listening, reading, writing. Within months, they transition into full subject instruction. Physics, chemistry, biology, mathematics, history, geography, all taught in Chinese. HSK preparation is built directly into the daily schedule.
By graduation, students typically achieve HSK 5 or 6 true professional level Chinese fluency.
3 years, real high school, real Chinese,
All-in costs, tuition, boarding, meals, and legal guardianship for students under 18
range from $3,000 to $10,000 USD per year. Compare that to $30,000, $50,000 at international schools teaching a Western curriculum. With CNC, your child gets something international schools simply cannot offer: genuine integration into Chinese society, language mastery through daily use, and direct pathways to top Chinese universities like the C9 League.
Many offering full Chinese government scholarships reserved specifically for CNC graduates.
China is safe. Schools are structured. Students learn discipline, respect, and academic rigor
In an environment designed for success.
This isn't study abroad. This is building a future with Chinese language skills, Chinese academic credentials,
and connections that open doors across Asia and beyond.
CNC. World-class education, affordable, all-inclusive pricing, a direct pathway to China's top universities.
Your child's future in China starts here.